Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I will be taking you through a day in the life of an event planner. So tomorrow I have 3 events. It's Friday night right now, and so tomorrow I have 3 events that I'm going to be doing some work for. A few are bounce house rentals, and then another is a balloon garland plus a bounce house rental, and then another is just a balloon arch for a Halloween event. So I am super busy tonight, but I just wanted to take you guys through what a setup is for me and a lot of the behind the scenes, because sometimes I don't get to show you guys. So I wanted to take you along for that. So keep watching this video. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've got a lot of the balloons blown up all over the house. I've put them in trash bags so that tomorrow when I go pick up my U-Haul, I'm able to just kind of drop off and set up as needed. Now, earlier, Ryan was here. He's my little event assistant, but my mom came and picked him up. That way I could get a lot of my work done, because typically I do keep him here with me whenever I'm blowing up or doing prep for setups. But because I had 3 events tomorrow, like, that's a lot to be kind of juggling a toddler as well. So my mom, Grammy, she took Ryan for me, so that was great. So typically I like to have like shows on that I haven't watched in a while that I need to catch up on. So I'm watching Uninterrupted, The Shop. Love LeBron James, love his whole crew. So I'm getting some motivation while I'm blowing up these balloons, and let's get them on the pump. So I've done a lot of videos where I show you guys how I do a balloon garland, how I do clusters, all of that. So if you want to see how to do that for yourself for your own future events, click the links in the description box so you can catch up on those different videos to learn how you can do your own balloon garland setups and build clusters yourself. This is my electric balloon pump. This has been a lifesaver. I don't know how I would do balloon artistry without this. Like, I don't even know how it's possible for anyone to do balloons without their electric balloon pump at that. And if you are interested in getting an electric balloon pump, I will link that as well in the description box. It is listed on my Amazon storefront, and so it's wonderful, like game changer for sure. So I'm just gonna keep blowing and finishing up the process. Like I said, I've already blown up a set earlier today for the Halloween arch that I'm doing, and now I'm working on the wild one, jungle one, that I'm gonna be setting up for tomorrow as well. So now I am kind of saving myself some time by going ahead and putting the clusters together. So I've started by putting this cluster together already. For this design, I'm doing light green, dark green, and then brown. This is a jungle themed party. It's a wild one. And so instead of just having like green, light green, all one color, dark green, all one color, and then brown, I kind of like this cascaded kind of look. So I'm gonna go ahead and build that. And so again, this is just saving me time. So tomorrow when I set up, I'm really just putting this on the wall and adding my little small 5-inch balloon clusters. Really quick, the clusters that I'm about to create, I only make enough for the amount of large balloons that I've made. So what that means is I have 6 lime green large balloon clusters. That means I'm only going to create 6 of the 5-inch balloon clusters, because if I was doing a full setup of one color, I would be doing multiples of these. You only have to make the same amount of small clusters as you do your large clusters. So we'll be doing 6 of the lime green, 6 of the brown, and 6 of the dark green. Okay, so this is the part of the clusters that I hate the most. So I'm taking a 260 balloon and tying it around one end of the 5-inch balloon, okay? Boom. Now I'm taking the cluster of 4 and I'm tying that to the other end of the 260 balloon. You can see how this can be super tedious if you have lots of little 5-inch balloons you're making. So here we have it, and this is the process I will be doing for those 3 different colors. So I'm finally on the last color. So happy about that. So I'm quickly getting this done. That way I can put these in, I cannot talk. That way I can put these in trash bags and then I can go to bed because I have delivery day tomorrow and your girl is tired. So we're gonna hurry up and finish these and then we'll move on to putting them up and then we'll go to bed and I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, you guys, good morning. So it is now Saturday and I'm starting my day off with some breakfast. I'm making some turkey sausage and I'm also making some scrambled eggs as well. So I'm getting all that together. As you can see, I have not changed yet into my work shirt, but after I eat, I will do that and then we'll just get the day rolling. Super excited. And I always make sure I take my fish oil vitamins and my women's daily vitamins whenever I have, and well, I take them any day, but you guys know. And I always add an Ensure as well, just to like get an extra boost and have more calories throughout the day. And in my backyard, I have a little barn shed that I use to store a lot of my event props. And so I'm just going to pull out the balloon blowers. I'm pulling out the bounce house blowers. That way I can put them in the garage and then I'll head out to the U-Haul and then I'll put all of these things in the U-Haul. And this was really difficult getting all this stuff together and ready as a one-woman show. But we made it work, y'all. So here I am struggling getting that bounce house out. That's the first bounce house, the green one. And then this was my larger bounce house. Like, look at my face. Pull. Like, that was such a struggle, but we got it done, y'all. Like, I was determined. Taking a quick breath, and then we're gonna get back right into it. I was super determined to get all that going. And then I took another mini break because the bounce house just kept moving all types of crazy ways. But I pulled some more and we got her to the garage as needed. All right, you guys, so as you can see, I finally got all the bounce houses into the garage. And so now I'm headed to go pick up the U-Haul truck that I'm renting for the day because I just have too many rentals today. And this Honda is not gonna hold all of that. So I'm headed to go pick up the car and then we'll go to our first delivery. Okay, y'all, so I had to make a pit stop at Lily's Balloon Store in Irving to get some last minute balloons. Like I said, you always have to be prepared, and so luckily I gave myself enough time to get to the event to set up, and so I got what I needed. And I just dropped off at the first stop. I dropped off the bounce house that you guys saw earlier, and now I'm making this stop, and then I'm about to head back home and load up the truck for the last 2 stops of the day. And your girl is hungry, so I'm gonna hurry up and get that done. That way I can go eat and then take a nap. I'm breathing so hard because I just got this bounce house into the van. Like, it's a one-woman job, but we got it done. Okay, so I was actually a little late to this second setup, but luckily there were 2 guys at the event who actually helped me get the other bounce house out. And so I easily got that set up and then I was able to work on this balloon install. I wasn't able to record myself putting the arch piece that you guys see on the left side. I didn't record getting that on, but it was pretty easy to get that on. And so now I'm just adding the safari foils. That way I can kind of get all that in shape. And then we'll go in and add the 5-inch balloon clusters, and then I'm also going to use some balloon shine to put over the balloons, that way they can be nice and shiny for the Wild One first birthday party. And here is the after result. Super cute. The shine did its thing, and now I'm headed to my last stop. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I'm back in my car now. Thank God my mom is just my mom, because she literally helped hold it down for that final setup, because I ended up having to take the van back. So I had to use my mom's SUV to deliver the last balloons for the last setup. And so shout out to my mom, love her to death. And now I'm in the In-N-Out burger line because your girl is hungry. I've not eaten since breakfast that I showed you guys this morning. And so yeah, so now I'm about to go rest. But yes, I wasn't able to record like me putting the bounce houses into the van, like a lot of stuff I just would need a second person to like be recording what I do. But like there's a lot of behind the scenes that a lot of you guys don't see when it comes to these events. It's not just the pretty setup at the end, like a lot of hard work goes into it. And so I'm glad I got to at least give you guys a little bit of that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.